Let's do this. Hi Maria. Hello. This is the first time I'm doing something like this, so please bear the awkwardness. Beautiful Maria from my team, and she made a request that she wants to live a day in my life just like I do.
Yeah.
So for this, it's very important to get a Nikita Fulwani starter pack. Are you ready?
Yes.
Scheduled for tomorrow. What time does it start?
9 p.m. today.
Oh, correct answer. It's a schedule for tomorrow, but it starts at 9 p.m. today. These are some of the things that you will need. You have 3 dates, 10 almonds, electrolyte water. You go to bed, call me to say good night. Okay? Okay, bye. Good morning. It's 4:27 a.m. This is the very first time I'm using this camera. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Today, one of my team members living a day in my life. So I want to show you guys how I live a day in my life. First of all, yes, I'm up by 4 a.m. So she just texted me, and I'm so happy to see this text because it's 4:28. Oops. The next thing that I do is I come and drink 2 glasses of warm water. Do this before I brush my teeth because the bad bacteria in your mouth mixes with the water and actually helps with the digestion. I don't like it when my hair is not proper. I love this t-shirt. I have yoga class right now. This is from Alo Yoga. Always get ready to the gym. Every morning I also get my... I've been using this electrolyte, which is from this brand called Element. For my pre-workout, I usually have 3 dates, but I've taken 4 because they are rather small. How do I do this? We kept soaked at night, and I'm just gonna take 10. It's Saturday and I have more time. I'm gonna take this and sit outside and meditate and journal. The only thing we need to see today is my beautiful, beautiful moon. Look at that. So I usually sit here. That's my little corner where I sit with my dates, almonds, my journal. I sit here while the birds are chirping. My almonds. I listen to. Good morning, Miss Maria.
Who is it? Is this the first time you're shooting on it?
I am, and you are on it. Good morning.
Wow, good morning.
So Maria, it's 5:50 a.m. and firstly, not many people get pick and drop service from me. Okay. How was your morning and what time did you wake up? Tell us a bit about it.
So I needed my sister to wake me up. I'll say that. There were 3 phones with alarms. She woke me up around 4:25 itself. So
And
she
you-
started the process there, but I already woke up. But that's probably because so when you sleep, the deep sleep part, I didn't reach that because I was very late. with
What time did you go to bed?
Just, let's leave it. First, when I woke up, went to the hall and I did squats.
Squats, good.
Yeah.
How did you feel?
Quite pumped actually.
Yeah, quite
It felt
pumped.
on
Okay,
the
we're gonna
journey,
drive now, otherwise we'll be late for yoga. Let's start with yoga in this bright, beautiful sun, Maria. How'd you feel?
I feel like I'm someone with a routine. My life is together.
3 hours into it, you feel like you're in a routine.
Forward, forward, forward position. Look forward. Slowly drop down. We are coming. 1. Getting it? Yes. Hold, hold, hold. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjana,
Thank you.
for a beautiful class. Was that your first time doing yoga?
No.
Okay, how was it? First time doing it at 6:30 a.m.
Yeah.
How was your class?
It was exhausting, stretching, opening, widening.
We're training now. Let's get coffee. Let's get coffee. Come. Train right now. It's our step 2. Just my back is hurting. We're gonna take it slow. Are you feeling awake? Are you feeling alive?
Awake, yes. Alive.
Hips low. Yeah. 2 seconds now.
thing. 3 sets. That's the rule of life. Monday sick leave.
How'd you know?
Monday sick leave. How was that? Exhausting. Exhausting? This was 40% of a session. Okay, come, let's get your food. Are you ready for the next one? Because we're literally going to burn in the sauna.
I think sauna is fine.
Sauna, kitna sauna hai?
I feel more prepared to jump in the ice bucket because of the heat. But
Welcome to a day in my life. And Saturdays are my favorite days. Yeah, like my favoriteest. It's breakfast time. But Maria is also gonna eat the food that I eat every day. Are you ready? What do you usually have for breakfast? Do you even eat breakfast?
no, it's Ashraf's chai and parle.
Arey, parle ji you have in the morning. Things are gonna change today. You're gonna have eggs and sweet potato and pineapple. See, we both have our pineapple containers, so. Hello ma'am, welcome to my restaurant. This is eggs and sweet potato. Can we show it to the camera? Eggs and sweet potato. Please eat as per your appetite. This is my appetite. Okay, so the next step is sauna for 15 minutes. Are we ready?
Yep.
We're obviously not going to show the sauna because that's just inappropriate. And my camera will burst up. Post sauna. Are you ready for the next one? Ice bath!
I want to do a little temperature check.
No, don't do that. Because that will be like teasing your brain. You want to do it?
No.
Yeah, you keep your arms under your armpits.
Okay.
Because this area and your toes, सबसे ज़्यादा ठंडी वहाँ पे जल्दी लगती है.
So what do I do with my toes then?
I mean, you'll have to place them. उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते. थोड़ा bear करना पड़ेगा. But first 90 seconds will be hard. उसके बाद you will feel like ये ice. मैं तो आइसक्रीम खाती हूँ. ये ice क्या चीज़ है? इसके मम्मी पापा मुझे मार न डाले. मुझे भी डर लग रहा है. Hands up. Breathe.
Sit comfortably.
Put your legs against the bucket. Breathe.
Come on. It's okay.
Breathe. Breathe. Get out.
Don't come out. Out.
It's okay. It's okay.
I can't 3 seconds. This is so bad. How are you doing it?
They all do it.
How are you guys doing it? Oh my god. Start just once.
Hands under the armpits.
Oh my god, my feet are
Hands under the armpits. Go down.
Do it now.
Why? Go close to the camera's off. May God bless you, camera, and bless Nikita's YouTube journey. Let's go. Thank you for shopping with me. Of course.
How are you feeling, Nikita?
Pretty cool, to be honest.
How long do you think you can stay inside?
It's not about how long do you think you can stay. I want to stay only 10 minutes, so I will stay 10 minutes. It will be scary, but it's just the first like 60 seconds. And when you conquer that, the feeling you will have is like something amazing. The first 60 seconds are scary, and attempting it itself is a good thing for day one. So don't compare your day one to someone else's day one. How was it? You went inside, you got a sense. Okay, let's never call anything horrible.
No,
Okay.
okay, I'll say horrible as in I feel the pain is not the amount that I had calculated earlier.
Yoga, training, breakfast,
Sauna. And
ice bath. Yay! Then we're gonna do some cardio. You're gonna do light cardio. So where are we? No protein shake for you.
Yes.
You look so tired. I feel bad now.
No.
Am I troubling
Obviously,
you?
I will be. No, but like, no, it's good tired. I'm actually excited for the rest of the day, rest of the weekend.
Don't worry, I'll free you at 1 o'clock. Uske baad, both of us need some space. At least I do. I don't know about you. 20 minutes we'll do like treadmill.
Treadmill.
Oh my god, look who it is. New gym buddy, Praku.
Hi.
Hi, what's your question?
Mama, did you meet her mama? Did you ask her 1 million questions? Did you sit in the song? We're all part of this.
Yeah,
Did you speak to Baru? I don't see day in the life of Niki is not just gym. You have to ask Baru a few questions. You need to ask, is the outfit looking good?
Yeah.
Does this look good or does it not look good? Should I wear this as an option or should I wear that?
I also ask you questions.
मतलब vlog में ये सब आना चाहिए. Authenticity होनी चाहिए.
Authenticity. So, hello.
Are you been with us since 5 a.m.?
Yeah. Do some very basic cardio. 20-30 minutes. Is one done.
Okay, so
so
this is
we
like a
jumbled
proper
up.
phase,
Yeah.
okay.
And Silva's here. Silva is our best friend. He's here to take us safely because Maria was done with my driving. She's talking to her mom.
most random
Yeah.
thing.
This please, auntie, कल से Maria क्या खाएगी breakfast पे? Maria.
Sweet potato and eggs. 2 whites and 1 yellow.
Yes, wow, very good. Witness, auntie witness,
Yes,
Nikita
for
witness.
sure, for
Okay. We thought we'll have a nice chai break because both of us bond on chai. But Silva took us to some shitty restaurant and got us this chai के नाम पे dabba. Listen, do what you want but don't drink chai like this. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. I'm still gonna try it.
It might be nice. Give it a chance.
It's okay. Cheers.
It's not that bad, right?
I mean, you can't really say anything about chai. इतनी बुरी नहीं है. पे एक और ज्ञान सीख लें आप. Don't judge a book by its cover.
What happened in the last 1 minute?
They just said Maria's my daughter.
And their second guess was that we're sisters.
Sisters is good, but the first guess was that मैं मम्मी की तरह लगती हूँ. लोग बोलेंगे क्यों मम्मी कैसी लगती है? मम्मी भी अच्छी लगती है. किधर है? Where do I go? Yeah, give her a nice massage. I think this is where we close. It's about 12:40. We just finished our massage. How was your massage?
Amazing. It was an experience.
Did you sleep?
I tried to. I almost slept and then I got myself out of bed.
Okay, we are at my favorite place, and since it's Saturday, our next stop is dance class.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Maria, do you dance?
Yes, I do.
Okay, are we ready?
The leg gonna take from the center. It doesn't go there. It's from the center. It takes a semicircle.
Got home. The lunch I am gonna have is green curry, fish, chawal, veggies, and a papaya salad. And Maria just told me she doesn't eat fish. Important, but you're supposed to eat like me.
I know fish is too far.
But what's the issue with fish?
It's a fish.
You're vegetarian?
No, but it's not chicken. That's what it is.
No. If it walks on land, you can eat it. If it swims in water, you can't.
Not even walks on land. It needs to be like a bird walking on land for it to be consumed.
Okay, humans are not allowed.
Nice with that then.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Yeah. After eating the mandi, do you go to sleep at work? Maria, it's 3 p.m. Started your day at 4:30. How's your day?
It was really nice. I'm actually kind of now thinking how it's over. But it was a really nice day.
And you did really well. You did a great job at yoga. You were great at training. You did your cardio. You went for sauna. You attempted the ice bath. You went inside for a few seconds, which is amazing. You ate the meals, which you don't. You did fab at the dance class. And you have your dinner already. It wasn't that bad living in I mean, it's like actually a day for you.
Exactly. Honestly, wallahi, because there's a camera, you may feel this is for camera, but wallahi, there's a bigger, like a higher increase in respect now for you. Wallahi, I'm telling you that because I think I can tell you exact moment where I was like how was ice bath?
Ice bath.
Immediately when I got out of it and I was seeing you just there like talking. Like you're just casually, you're just like, it's okay, relax, it's all in your mind.
Like the fact is, I had a feeling I was like, I should have been outside and pepping you up, and I should have been there. So next time, like that was my takeaway. I was like, yaar, should have helped her first and then gotten inside.
I don't know if that was gonna help.
It would have. You have to drink 3 liters of water still. You have to drink it.
I haven't finished 1.5, but yes, I'll finish.
You have to drink at least. Try going to bed at whatever time you want, because that won't be a day in my life. But no, it was good.
Thank you so much for this.
Thanks for being high-spirited.
I'm going to come back with the next new funky idea.
Yeah, it'll be cool. Okay, bye guys.
You didn't say like. You have to say it.
Oh, okay. What do you have to say?
Like, share.
Like, share, subscribe, comment. Correct?
Yeah.
Hit the like button.
Hit the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button. And below, what should be a next challenge that I could do with a friend or a team member or anything like that. Yeah?
Yeah, that's perfect. That's a good idea.
Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys. Cheers.